Hello, I'm Alexander Blackburn, the founder of the Blackburn firm. In this video, we'll discuss the definition of sexual harassment. In California, the Fair Employment and Housing Act is the primary law prohibiting workplace sexual harassment. That law is commonly referred to as FEHA. FEHA states that it is an unlawful employment practice for an employer, because of gender, to harass an employee, an applicant, an unpaid intern or volunteer, or a person providing services pursuant to a contract. Sexual harassment is considered a form of illegal, gender-based harassment. So what constitutes sexual harassment? Sexual harassment consists of unwelcome advances or other unwanted verbal or physical conduct of a sexual nature if submission is a condition of employment, or submission affects employment decisions, or the purpose or effect of the conduct is to unreasonably interfere with the employee's work performance, or the conduct creates an intimidating, hostile, or offensive environment. Sexual harassment can take many forms. For example, it can consist of verbal communication, such as asking for a date, telling sexual jokes, bragging about sexual exploits, making comments regarding appearance or anatomy, or using terms with double meanings, one of which is sexual. However, nonverbal actions can also constitute unlawful harassment, such as touching oneself or another, particularly in sexually sensitive places, suggestive eye contact, or posting or circulating sexually oriented posters, cartoons, or pictures. Sexual harassment can even be committed by behavior not directly aimed at the victim. For example, if a supervisor has a consensual relationship with an employee and then favors that employee, the courts have found that such behavior can constitute sexual harassment of the other female workers by sending the message that female employees are viewed by management as sexual playthings, or that the way for women to get ahead in the workplace is by engaging in sexual conduct with their employer. If you feel that you've been the victim of workplace sexual harassment, then please feel free to contact the Blackburn firm. We will provide you with a confidential, professional case evaluation, and if we take your case, then we will provide you with the high level of legal representation that you deserve. Thank you for your time. I hope you found this video useful, and please see our other helpful tutorials.